We are at Pal's Fish Corner at Bandra 16th Road. So this is a little place. They have about 2 tables. So this is the menu. So this is the chicken tandoori, half of it. I love how much of chaat masala they put on it. Looks really good. Here you can see how juicy it is. So this is how it's supposed to be. So this is the prawns biryani. There you can see the prawns. Delicious. The masala, the spice mix looks delicious. So this is the chutney, the green chutney that comes with the tandoori chicken, and this is the raita, the yogurt, which comes with the prawns biryani. So this is the size of the prawns in the prawn biryani. I wanted to show that. Not too big, but the spice mix is really delicious. So this is the lime and warm water that they give you after your food. So you just rinse your fingers with lime and then you wipe it with your napkin.